Welcome, today I am with SoundPeats TrueAir 2 and I will show you how you can move them to the pairing mode manually. So in normal cases, when you remove them from the case, they are going to be in the pairing mode automatically. But if you have any problem with that option and they are not in the pairing mode, you can make it manually. And you have to basically press and hold both buttons for 6 seconds. So let's make it right now. Click, hold, and keep holding. Oh, okay, I just turned on the music. Let's make it right now. So click and hold right now. Take a look on the indicators. And right now, when this right earbud flash on the red color, and you will hear notification that they are in the pairing mode, they will be, so you can refer to the list. Of course, in my case I'm connected, but as you can see they pops also right here, and I'm connected back. And also you can take a look on your user manual, and this method you will find in this place. Take a look. Manually enter pairing mode, press and hold the MFB for 6 seconds, both buttons. So one more time, you have to click and hold these buttons for 6 seconds until this indicator start blinking on the red color. And that's how you can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.